Hi, Dave from Motorcycle Factors. We're up at Oxford Classic Honda today, and we're having a look at this little Melody Honda Deluxe 50cc twist and go, electric start, 1982. How many miles on the clock now? Oh, 789. Oh, 7,895. So it's done a few miles. Got a fuel gauge, got a shopping basket, got a top box. Looking at it, it's not that bad condition, really, is it? You know, what can you get? 695 Charlie's got it up for. Petrol tank under there, oil tank under there. What's that? Your battery's under there. Big battery for a little bike, isn't it? Somebody's messed about with a carb. It's had a different carb on there with a big air filter, look. They've obviously had some problem at some time. So basically it's a Honda Express engine, small little wheels, pop and go. Let's start it up. Nope, that's not working, it's not engaging. Starts up easy enough anyway. Well, what to say? I'm just going to put my lid on. We're going to give it a quick squirt round the old yard. Just because I like little horrible twist and goes. I think they're great. Little Honda Melody, twist and go. My mum had a Honda Express the same year back in the day, and we sold it for 50 quid. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. But I love them. The electric start didn't engage properly, that wants a little bit of attention. 695, what can you buy for that? Obviously this. Okay, the small wheel, they don't feel so good as a tall wheeled bike, but just popping down the shop or having a laugh, if you're into auto cycles and stuff like that, you know, this is going to be more reliable than an old NSU or something like that, I'd have thought. Actually quite smooth. It's actually quite smooth, this old bike. Probably do about 28 mile an hour, even with my weight on it. My stepson had one. It was his first bike, and that could only do 20 mile an hour. But it's a little bit of fun. And that's what all motorcycling's about, really. So in conclusion, I absolutely love it. I could ride around this yard all day on that. What a hoot. Probably do 100 miles to the gallon. You know, just a fantastic little bike. Thanks for watching.